Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Hope everyone had a great Lunar New Year in the past 2 weeks. Today, we are back on our normal series and we are introducing a super easy dish today, honey soy chicken. Let's get right into this recipe. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. About 300 grams of chicken thighs. These are preferred as they can remain juicy after frying. I've cut them into about 1-inch cubes. Next, we need about 3 corianders. Its natural flavour adds a great balance to the sweet and salty sauce. For the aromatics, we have a large piece of ginger. The taste of the ginger is a good combination with honey. Next, we also have about 4 cloves of garlic. I've already peeled both aromatics. And lastly, we have about 6 grams of white sesame seeds. We will need to toast them later on to release their flavour. First, let's take a look at how to marinate the chicken. We will add about 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce for some umami flavour into the meat, 1.5 tablespoons of shaoxing wine to remove any gamey taste from the chicken. Mix everything evenly and well. If you prefer a slightly spicier kick to the chicken like me, I'm gonna add some additional white pepper powder. After this, we will cling wrap it and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours to let the flavours set. This is sure to become really flavourful later on. Next, we will cut the aromatics. We mince up the ginger finely. Make sure that it's finely minced as we want it to dissolve into the sauce later on. Cut the garlics into slices. Set the aromatics aside for later use. And lastly, for the coriander, we'll be using the whole plant. The bottom parts will be used for the sauce as it's the most aromatic. Mince the stem and the root part finely. Next, let's prepare the sauce. The most important part of this sauce is the honey. We will use about 3 tablespoons of honey. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, which also makes the sauce umami. Lastly, we have something called Worcester sauce, or called 极致 in Chinese. This is what the sauce looks like. Sometimes it's called LP sauce in Asia because of its original creators' names. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to make it easier to dissolve all the ingredients into the sauce. Mix the sauce evenly. Lastly, we add the coriander roots which we have prepared earlier into the sauce. Mix everything evenly. After about 2 hours of marinating, we can take out the chicken. Crack an egg and just add in the egg whites. We will not add the egg yolk because the higher fat content will make it harder to crispen up the skin later on. Mix in the egg whites evenly. Next, we coat the chicken pieces into the potato starch evenly. Make sure that they are evenly coated. After you have coated the chicken, you will notice that the water seems to form around the coating. This is because the flour is absorbing the moisture from the chicken. Let it rest for about 10 minutes and then we coat another layer of potato starch. This will make it even more crispier than usual. Now that it's ready, let's start cooking. First, we will dry toast the white sesame seeds. At medium heat, we toast the white sesame seeds until they turn golden brown. Set the toasted sesame seeds aside for later use. Next, heat up the oil. Once the batter can float up in the oil within 3 seconds, this oil is hot enough. Add in the chicken pieces individually. Once they turn yellow, we can remove them since we will be double frying them later. Add in the second batch of chicken. Don't fry all the chicken at once to prevent overcrowding the wok. For the double frying, the oil will have to be hotter than the initial batch. Double frying will force out the oil and make the skin crispier. Once the skin gets golden brown, remove it. Set the chicken aside for later use. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Fry the ginger and garlics until they become aromatic. Once they get aromatic, we add in the prepared sauce and let it reach a boil. Taste the sauce and adjust the sauce according to your preferences. Add in the toasted sesame seeds that we have prepared earlier for extra fragrance. Once the sauce has reduced and thickened, turn off the fire, then add in the fried chicken. Stir everything evenly and toss the chicken to coat them evenly in the sauce. Pour out the chicken and it's ready to serve. For the plating, add the remaining sesame seeds that we have prepared earlier. Drizzle the remaining sauce onto the dish. Doesn't this dish look super appetizing? What's more, it's so simple to prepare. Try this recipe today. And we have come to the end of this episode. If you enjoyed this honey soy chicken recipe, do support us by hitting the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to our channel for weekly recipes that are uploaded on Saturdays. And I'll catch you in my next video.